Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am with a new video in which I'm gonna show you how to clean a helmet. You can see this helmet is looking good. It's because after every ride I clean my helmet. But for the last 8 to 10 months I didn't clean the inner paddings of this helmet. So in this video I'm gonna show you the step-by-step procedure to clean a helmet, which includes cleaning of the outer shell, visor and inner paddings of helmet. Let's check what are the requirements. 2 microfiber cloth or soft cotton cloth or banyan cloth, soft tissue paper, toothbrush with soft bristles, baby shampoo and toothpaste. Baby shampoo is used to clean the inner paddings because baby shampoo is very gentle in nature, so it will not harm the paddings. And the toothpaste is for cleaning the helmet visor. Now we're gonna strip the helmet. First we're gonna remove the helmet visor and then we're gonna remove the inner paddings of the helmet. Different helmets got different mechanisms to remove the helmet visor. Some got simple and others got some difficulty in removing the visor. You better go through your helmet user manual so that you can find how to remove the visor. The removal of inner paddings of all the helmet is almost similar. You just have to pull the paddings from the helmet and then it will come off from the lock. Now we have removed the visor and inner paddings from the helmet. Now we are going to take a microfiber cloth and dip into warm water. Just squeeze the excess water because we just want to make the cloth wet, and just cover the helmet with the warm wet cloth and leave it for some time, around 5 to 10 minutes. This will help us to remove any bugs or muds stick on the helmet easily without any scratch. After that, take the inner paddings and liners and dip it in the shampoo mixed warm water and leave it there for around 10 to 15 minutes. This will make the cleaning process easy. That is, it will help us to remove the oil from the hair and any dirt inside the paddings. Now we have covered the helmet outer shell with a warm wet cloth and also dip the all inner linings in shampoo water. Now we gonna clean the helmet visor. To clean the visor, I am using toothpaste and soft tissue paper. Just take a tissue paper and dip it in a warm water and wipe the visor. Don't give any pressure because I am wiping it to make the visor wet. After making it wet, take the toothpaste and rub it on the visor. And spread it with the tissue paper. After rubbing and spreading the toothpaste inside and outside the visor, clean it in water. Clean it very well so that there is no sign of the paste. After cleaning the visor, we are going to dry the visor with soft tissue paper, or you can also use dry microfiber cloth. The only thing you have to take care after cleaning the visor is not to touch the inside portion of the visor. Just keep it aside. We are going to clean the outer shell of the helmet. I kept this helmet almost around 5 minutes under warm wet cloth. Now we're gonna wipe the helmet shell with the same wet cloth. Wipe it very well and remove all the dirt. After wiping with wet cloth, we use soft bristled brush to clean the gasket and air vents of the helmet. If you have an air compressor, just blow air through these holes. But you have to remember that the air vents must be open and also the air pressure is set at low. This will help to remove any bugs or dirt trapped inside the vent. Again wipe with the wet cloth after cleaning with the brush. Now dry the helmet with microfiber cloth or soft banyan cloth or cotton cloth. Or you can also use soft tissue paper. We have cleaned the outer shell and visor of the helmet. Now we are moving to the inner paddings, which we are already kept in warm shampoo water. Just massage the paddings very well and try to remove all the oil and dirt from the inner paddings. After cleaning the paddings in shampoo water, squeeze it very well and wash it in warm water. Just massage the paddings in warm water and try to remove all the shampoo content. After cleaning the paddings in warm water, try to remove all the water from the padding by squeezing it, because it will help to dry the paddings fast. Use the same procedure to clean the other paddings and liners of the helmet. Now all the cleaning process are done. The outer shell, the visor, the paddings, everything is clean. The paddings are kept for air dry on a clean cloth. Never use hair dryer to dry the paddings, and never keep the paddings under the direct sunlight. Always use room temperature to dry the paddings, or you can also use fan to dry the paddings. You see the dirt from my helmet, which I didn't clean for the last 10 months. So just imagine how much dirt will be there in your helmet if you guys didn't clean your helmet after buying it. From the video you guys realize that the cleaning of helmet is not a tough task. The cleaning process will only take 15 to 30 minutes, but drying the paddings and inner linings will take some time. I will recommend to clean the helmet at least in a year. If you are using your helmet for daily ride, clean the helmet in every 6 months. Also try to clean the helmet in the evening so that the inner paddings and liners will be dry by the morning. Now the paddings and liners are dry after keeping it for a day. Now I'm gonna refit it into the helmet. While fitting it, you have to remember that it will be in reverse order. That is, inner lining first and cheek pads last, and then the helmet visor. Also try to not to touch the inside portion of the visor while refitting. Only fit the paddings and liners inside the helmet only if it's completely dry. Otherwise it will start smelling. Now everything is clean, the outer shell, visor and inner paddings of this helmet. Hope you guys will be doing the same to keep your helmet clean. It's not a time-taking task. Also hope you like this video. If you like this video, share with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. I will be coming with a new video. Till then, ride safe and keep smiling.